All right, I have the combiner box done. We have 3 panels coming in, being combined here. First they come into the fuses, and then the negative conductors over here, and then they jump over here, and then it goes straight down into the hole, into the RV. So because we have 3 panels in parallel, we're dealing with them with some higher current, and that's going to be about 28 amps. So you don't want to use MC4 connectors for that, because MC4 connectors only have a 30 amp current limit, and that's just too much. So I like to use these combiner boxes. I make these and I can configure them however I want. Since we're combining these, the max fuse rating, the combined array current is going to be higher than the max fuse rating of the panels, so we have to fuse them. The max fuse rating of these panels is 20 amps, so we have 20 amp fuses. So panels come in, they jump over here, and the negative connectors go straight over to here and then down. Now on the end I have additional ones because I did a second run going down into the solar compartment, and this way it's already ready if the customer wants to go ahead and add additional panels later. There's already a run set up for that.